Arrowheads or arrows are extremely important to us in this course. And Illustrator has a wide collection of arrowheads that you can pick from. But first, you need to create a line that you can place your arrowheads on. So let's come over here to pick up our pen tool and come back here to our workspace. Click once to place the beginning anchor and move away from this anchor, and then click again to create your line. If we come up here to Window and go all the way down to Stroke, down here you have Arrowheads section. Now if you hover over this part, it says click to pick arrowhead to apply to start point of path, and over this section, click to pick arrowhead to apply to end point of path. So basically, from these two sections, we're going to pick each arrowhead for each end of this line. So let's go ahead and click on this arrow here, and let's go ahead and pick from this wide collection of arrows. As you can see, let's select arrow 9. And as you can see, as soon as I selected it, it shows up on my line. As for the other side, let's go ahead and select arrow 21. That goes well with arrow 9, as you can see, and that is how you add arrowheads to the ends of your line. You can control the size of the arrowheads on your line using the scale section over here. And if you hover over this part, it says scale factor for start arrowhead, which is this one. And over this section, it says scale factor for end arrowhead, which is this one. Which means you can control the size of each one of these arrowheads on each end of this line separately. For example, if I come over here and try to decrease the size of this arrowhead on the left, it is decreasing separately without affecting the other arrowhead on the right. However, most of the time, we're going to need the arrowheads on both ends of the line to be sized suitable size to each other. So what we do is we come over here to this button which says link start and end arrowhead scales, and we click it. And now if we come to either one of the scale sections over here and we try to make a change, either decreasing for example or increasing, you can see that this change is being applied to both arrowheads on both ends in the same amount.